This meditation, using the sound ah, it will help you create the life of your dreams. What is the ah meditation? This meditation was taught by Dr. Dyer, among many others, as a way to awaken your energy and prepare you for a day of powerful manifesting and clear intentions. In doing this meditation, you will be making the sound ah, attributed as the sound of creation. You'll make this sound as you slowly exhale. This guided meditation I'm leading you in today is only around 5 minutes. Now you can of course extend it for a longer period of time, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or even longer. Before starting, think of one thing you want to manifest today, or maybe one image representing the changes you want to make in your life. Have this image clearly in focus. This meditation is best done seated with your back straight. As it does involve sound, make sure you're in a place where you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. Slowly exhale, saying ah. Again, in, ah. Focus your energy on your root chakra at the base of your spine. Now focus your energy on your sacral chakra. This chakra is the center of creativity and sexual energy. Now focus the energy on your solar plexus. Move up and focus the energy on your heart chakra. Now focus on your throat chakra. Now focus on your third eye, right between your two eyes. And now focus on the crown chakra. Keep breathing deeply and making the ah sound. Now take the image that you created of the thing you most want to manifest and place it in your third eye, right between your eyes. Focus clearly on that image while continuing to say, ah. Continue to focus on what you want to manifest. Actually see yourself in that image. See yourself living your life after this manifestation has been fulfilled. give thanks for the manifestations that are coming into your life right now. Now allow yourself to relax and slowly awaken and open your eyes. Peace, love, and light